Now, let's see how these blocks connect to form a chain. That's the blockchain itself. This link is the secret behind blockchain's security and power. Each block has a unique digital fingerprint called a hash, but it also stores the hash of the previous block. Think of this like a chain of paper clips. Each clip links to the one before it. If someone removes or changes a clip, the chain breaks. This linking makes tampering nearly impossible. If someone tries to alter a block's data, its hash changes completely, but the next block still points to the old hash, causing a mismatch. To fix it, an attacker would need to recalculate all subsequent blocks' hashes across thousands of computers on the network at the same time. This is why blockchain is so secure and tamper-resistant. Imagine building a tower with Lego blocks. Each new block snaps perfectly onto the one below it. The tower grows taller and sturdier, but if someone removes a middle block, the structure becomes unstable and falls apart. This is how the blockchain grows, block by block, forming a strong, unbreakable chain. So, in short, blocks are like pages in a notebook, and hashes are the glue that links them.